Guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a day in the life of an entrepreneur, a college student, dog mom. Yeah. I'm gonna insert a clip I took last night, y'all. I went viral on TikTok, y'all. Like, your girl got 30.7K views and gained like over 500 followers. It was crazy. But Risen's about to get off work, y'all, and we're about to go get some breakfast. I gotta go drop off an order, so you'll watch me pack an order, get ready, all of that. So let's get right into the video, y'all. So do not mind this frontal, y'all. Like, it's going through, but y'all look, like, why is it doing that? I might as well take the whole thing off. I don't know why my eyes watering that bad, y'all. But Risen is still not here, and I'm about to package an order once I'm done putting my lashes on, and probably a freaking headband, because I don't know what's going on. But I'll be back once I get that done. And y'all, these earrings are from my website, but I'll show y'all once I have another eyelash on, because this is like blowing me. All right, y'all, so I'm trying my hardest, like really trying to fix this wig, but it does not want to fix, y'all. I ripped my lace by accident, so like I had to put it back together, but it was kind of hard. This just looks so bad. Like, it looked better from far away, but like on camera it looked bad. And I'm thinking like I might have to take this eyelash off and fix it. But yeah, y'all, like I was saying, earrings from my side. But Risen just called me, y'all, and he's on his way home. We about to go eat, and I gotta go drop some orders off. So let's go pack those orders. Let's go. Hey girl, my dogs. Okay, so first thing first, when it comes to packing orders, wash your hands. So I'm about to wash my hands, y'all. Prop y'all up. That's good. All right, y'all, this is like staring at me. They killed their food. All right, so all my stuff fell. Let me prop y'all up. Since I don't have to ship any orders, I could prop y'all up right there. All right, so are y'all ready for the next step? Gloves. So sometimes I work with gloves, sometimes I don't, depending on what I'm working with. Sometimes I do one-handed because sometimes it's really hard to work with gloves. And P.S. I wash my hands before, so period. But I need to make a TikTok also, so I need to do that. So I'll be right back. So like I said, y'all, I gotta package orders. So I just packaged this one up off camera. It's hold on. It's basically a Black Lives Matter croc pin, so it goes in your Crocs. So yeah, I just packaged that up, and I ordered these from 2 different vendors, and this vendor puts it in here, so I'm just trying to take this off. Okay, see, I can't have my glove on for that. So what I do is I open it, and this right here, y'all, is our butterfly pendant, iced out, okay? And we do have these in pink, gold, and multicolor. So yeah. So I take this piece off too. Wait, I'm about to give y'all a close up. Can y'all see that? Okay, we iced out over here, honey. And I'm gonna put it in this box right here. Why is this all messed up? Okay, boom. Just trying to flatten it out. We're gonna throw it away anyway. but I just lay it right down in here. Try to make it pretty. I mean, it's probably gonna slide anyway. But yeah. So yeah, that's really that, y'all. So Risen should be almost home. Risen should be almost home, y'all. And that is that, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all when we go get some food. So stay tuned. Y'all, my eye is still watering. But just because of that, y'all, I had to put my own butterfly necklace on. And she's all about her schmutty earrings. You already know what's going on. Orders are packaged. 1 and 2. This right here, I think I'm gonna put it in a smaller bag. But she ordered lashes and stuff prior, but the charms were on pre-order, so they came in. So you know. But yeah, y'all, like I said, just waiting on Risen, then we're gonna head over there and yeah, do the deed. Period. Drop off the orders. That's what I mean. But until then, I'm probably gonna go lay back down because I went to bed at like 2 something or 3, and it's like 9 something. So I'm probably gonna lay down until he's ready to go. So yeah, y'all. Hey guys, so I am back, y'all. I know I didn't record when I had I didn't record the breakfast we had, but that breakfast was good. I came back home, took a nap, and I just woke up not too long ago, y'all. Just woke up. So I just checked the mail, y'all, and I ordered extra inventory for this necklace, the multicolor. So that one came in. I wanted to have at least 2, 3 of each, but that color hasn't sold. The only color that's sold is the silver. Like, they couldn't have, y'all like the silver, so the gold, the rose gold, nobody's bought any. How do I open this? And my business cards came in from Canva. The sad part about this is you can only, sorry, I'm talking low because Risten's still asleep because I gotta work tonight. But sad part, you can only design the front, but I'm nervous to see how they look, y'all. So this is the unboxing. They gave me a thank you card, a sticker, and here are the business cards, y'all. Are y'all ready? Y'all, these are legit business cards, and I got the velvet touch ones, y'all. They don't really feel that velvety, but they're so little. The back's blank. But this is cute. So I went from these business to these business cards from these are my old ones, y'all. I know they kind of big. But these are cute. They are soft, but I could have just did regular. I probably could have made the stuff a little bit bigger on here so you can see it better. But they're still cute. I'm gonna use all 50 of these. Once I run out of business cards, that's when I'm knowing I'm doing the thing, y'all. But y'all, we just got another order for some wig remover. I'm gonna insert right here how quick that wig remover works. So I'm excited. So I think she did it for pickup. I got another pickup order. I need to go to the grocery store. I need to do homework. So we're gonna do all that. I'm gonna do some promo though real quick. I need to do some promo videos of our butterfly necklaces because I've sold a couple, and like those money earrings, people tend to like those too. I don't know what that is. They tend to like the money earrings. Just that we have flavors, okay? So yeah, y'all. Hey vlog, as you can see, it's 11:39. I know I look very like yellowy right now, but that's because I'm in front of my Himalayan pink salt light, and I don't want to turn the big light on. But I didn't get to record y'all because I was on the phone, y'all, for like 4 hours. What the heck happened? I was on the phone for 4 hours. I've never been on the phone that long, really, in like such a long time. But I was on the phone talking to my sister, and yeah, but I cooked dinner. I went to like 3-4 grocery stores, got dog food, everything. And I had to drop off that order earlier today, and I got my socks on that I got earlier. But I wanted to tell you guys something else. So I'm like, okay, I went viral once, but let's go viral twice. Let's go viral 3 times. Let's go viral 4 times. I don't know if it's gonna go viral. I hope it does. I hope it does. But y'all, we have 1,000 views right now, and it's going up, and people keep commenting. We got 300 likes, so hopefully it'll keep going up. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and let you guys know. And then I'm also thinking about doing Vlogmas, starting a couple channels, just starting off with Vlogmas, because we recorded a video, a Q&A, but it's not getting sent to me to edit. Like, it's not downloading on his phone. So I'm thinking maybe we'll do like a Vlogmas and do like a Q&A on the for the Vlogmas. Like, we'll wait till December 1st to start, plus it'll give us a little bit more time. So yeah, think about doing that, and might make us a wintry intro. But yeah, I still have like a couple more assignments to do for school. But let me go check on this video real quick. All right, y'all, so we're at 1,400 views, 510 likes. So hopefully this one just keeps going up. People keep commenting, and hopefully it'll reach out to more people, and my other videos will get a couple more views on it. And I now went from like 800 or something. I'll put a screenshot of what I was at after the first viral video, and I'm at 915 now, or 14. So I'm so excited. So just making like nice that my following is getting out there and stuff like that. I'm just really glad. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I need something to post because I've not posted in like so long. So this is my part 1 for my entrepreneurship series. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's not a hair video. I have a hair video coming out on me doing this wig, but this wig did not come out how I wanted it to come out, so I don't know if I'm gonna post it. But I am probably gonna switch over to my blonde wig because I'm kind of missing it. I really want to take some more photos. So yeah, but thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next. Oh, and I'll probably like insert at the end what the video really went up to. It's going up, but not as fast as the other video, so I'm not sure if it's viral, but 1,000 views is a lot to me, so that's viral to me. Okay, 1,000 views is viral, period. 1,000 views is viral. I don't care what anybody say. 1,000 views, like, that's a lot. That's 1,000 people. So we'll see what it's like, but I'll keep inserting as it goes up and up and up. So toodles.